Let's be honest, everyone and their mother has a pair of AirPods, but have you noticed they all look exactly the same? In a world of mass produced plastic, people are starving for personality. The little white case, that not just a charger, it's a blank canvas. Today I have driven you into the most cozy, high profit world of crochet AirPod covers. Whether you are looking for your next Etsy bestseller or a hero product for Shopify store, these tiny masterpieces are the ultimate affordable luxury that customers can't get enough of. Stick around because we are counting down the hottest design trends that are actually converting into sales right now. First up, let's talk about the trend that refused to quite get a go. There is something incredibly tactile about forest themed tech accessory. The mushroom cap design, specifically the classic red and white Amanita, is consistent top seller on Etsy. Why? Because it's nostalgic and whimsical. Don't stop at mushroom. Think tiny terrarium hanging AV vines or even a literal dirt brown base with a single blooming sprout on top. These designs photographed beautifully for Instagram and Pinterest, which is half the battle when you are selling online. When people see these, they don't just see a case, they see personality statement. If it looks delicious, it will sell, period. The amigurumi food trend is powerhouse for Shopify stores. These are specific psychological trigger with tiny food that make people want to hit add to cart immediately. We are seeing a massive success with the avocado half, where the pit is a 3D element and the toast bread slice. If you are selling these, focus on the tactile experience in your product description. Mention the softness of the yarn versus the cold plastic of the AirPod. It's about the sensory upgrade. Fashion is currently obsessed with the late 90s and early 200s. And tech accessories are no exception. We are talking bright neons, bold checkerboard prints, and iconic acid house.